I request all the students to cheer up your houses. I request all the students to cheer up your houses. Some will say red house, yellow house, blue house, green house. Both the bricks should touch the green ribbon. Both the bricks should touch the green ribbon.
Jump.
It is the most interesting game and most exciting also. Here we can see the stamina of the student.
Inside.
I request all the students not to come out from your tent. I request all the students not to come out from your tent. You can watch, you can encourage your...
La, out, run. Come on. Bottle outside. Come on, fast. Come on. Come on. Needle. Come on, they have to put needle now, needle. Thread and needle race. Oi, go outside. Row. Come on, hey. Come on. Hey. All our viewers. Second winner, hurdle race. Second winner, hurdle race. Third winner is there again. All are very eager to see. Enjoying. No. No, not putting. Run. Bhumika. Not. Now we have second group. The participants are 2 minutes. That's why we have first group and second group. Cross again. Cross. Up.
Nobody will go from your tent. All those are. I told you to stand.
Cheer groups are here.
So now you will not get the chance. You could have stood here. Sport.
They have gone there now. Filling up the bottle with water. One who fills first, they reaches the first destination.
So be there in your tent and cheer them up. No.
Faster. Filling up a bottle. Yes, one has finished. Run. Go. Put nicely. One has reached now. Needle and thread. I see who has put nicely. Okay, properly, then only will go. Now needle and thread. One has already finished. The first reaching here. The winner, not the winner, but the selected candidate. Another more participant, selected one, reached. The third one comes here. Okay, leftover ones are there. 3 contestants have not gone. They have not came across. Now we have third batch. That means the third group. Third group is ready. The third group is ready for the participation. Ready, ready, ready. Go, 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 go. Good, go. Jump, 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 jump. Go, go. One has reached. Wow. She's very energetic, like a kangaroo. She's the first one here. Like a kangaroo, she's. Come on, come on, come on, Rimpi. Come, Rimpi. Oh, no touching mat. Don't touch mat. You have to stand. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Green, 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 green. Good, good, run. Wow, good. Good, good. Vidyashree from Greenhouse is the first here. Cheering groups are. Go, come on, come on. Blue house, yellow house, red house. Jump, jump, jump.
Soon after the obstacle race for girls, boys obstacle race will start. Then girls will get little race. For final, but final also we will conduct.
Now again they will have a water filling up there.
Now,
just like the first batch.
this is B.
On the other hand, the others are getting ready.
We will conduct.
Hope this time also contestants are very full with energy.
Throwing stone.
They are tired already.
Throw a stone, then minus 10 points. In the
Coming, coming, coming. Hey, faster, faster.
that class 1, 2 students, you are throwing stone
Yes.
on each other. If it will hit, that one also one good thing, and he will get minus 1 also.
Come on, come on, come on, come on. Tora, tora, tora. Was one is done. Duty is done. Gone. Another more. Another more. Come. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Dikhu nango se. Come on, come on. Now they are having needle and thread. They have to insert the needle, the thread inside the needle. Come on, one is done already. Excellent. Very fast. तू इधर क्यों आया? उधर जा ना. उधर जा, उधर जा. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Third, third, third. Come on, come on. Yes, she's the third.
Okay, okay, okay.
Fourth group. Munal Shah. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Move, move, move. Go on, another is dead. Come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, you have to reach the line. Cross, cross, cross. Yes, run, run. Go, go, go. Come on, come on. Come on. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Reached. Come on, come on. Reaching, 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 they're reaching. Almost. Almost.
No problem.
Okay, okay, okay. Good, good. She has very less energy. Run, 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 run. The last contestant goes here, and the other side here. Two have already reached the final goal. The first one. Beauty Busmuntari. Needle and thread after the filling of the bottle. Another one contestant is going on there. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Yes, she has finished. The another one here. Come on, come on, come on, Nena, Nena. Nena, there.
Go.
Hey, kumapa saya, kumapa saya. Kumapa saya. No, this is second, second. Second. Second, second. You lost. Hey, come on, come on, come on. Yes, the third is here. Okay. Now it is final for the Super Senior Girls hurdle race. Audience are eagerly sittingly and waiting to cheer up their houses. Which house will win?
Green house.
Green house will win. Yes. So they are opting for the another is saying Zamba so that blue house will win.
Blue house.
Blue house. Wow. What do you think? Who will win?
Yellow.
House.
Huh?
Yellow.
Yellow. What do you think? Who will win? Huh?
Yellow house.
Blue house. Yellow house. Red house. Green house. Okay. 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 So here the contestants are, wow, they are really jumping like a kangaroo. They are very strong. Long step. Oh, is she okay? Cross होना पड़ेगा. Good. So this Smita has got through. Another here. Come on. Let's go. Yes. Who will win? Why? What do you think? Who will win? Huh? Blue house, green house, red house, yellow house. What do you say, sir?
Yellow house.
Yellow house will win. Wow. Since he's the member of yellow house, that is why. So the same way they are going through here for the filling of the water in the bottle. Yes. The first contestant, come on. Second contestant. Yes, come on. The first contestant is here. I think she will be the winner. Now she will have the needle and thread race. Yes, come on. Wow, winner. Red house. Winner. Hey, winner. Come on. They're struggling to insert the needle, the thread in the needle. Struggling to insert the needle and the thread. Come on, green house, blue house, yellow house. Wait, cheer up. Yes, come on here. Good.